Hey guys, thanks for tuning into your review channel. And yes, I'm doing a quick update and a quick review on this. I got the Gopro 8 Media Mod. I just want to do a quick review with you as far as the audio settings. It's kind of funny and kind of tricky, so I just wanted to make a quick video with you, talk about that. So I got the Gopro 8 Media Mod, and I have it right here so I can show you. So I do like this. So the main reason why I got this is really to solve my audio problems. So getting the little dongle and sticking it on the side of the GoPro just really wasn't the thing to do. If I was concerned, the door's half open, all that stuff. So I really wanted to have more control and more access for my video coverage. So I'm trying to really shoot more 4K coverage, and I really think this is a good solution. It has a rear microphone, has a stereo microphone, has a front microphone, shotgun microphone, all built into here. Has two cold shoes here, one here and one on the side. So you got two cold shoes. So you can put a light, you can put a shotgun microphone, you can put two mics, whatever you want to do. Really, it covers the whole enchilada with that. So really kind of cool. I've been playing around with this a little bit, and the main reason why I really got it because I really want to have audio access, because that was really what was missing as far as the GoPro with that crazy dongle thing. I didn't want that, so I really wanted this whole media mod. So I leave the battery in, I put my card in, okay? I close it up, super simple to do. You just close this down and it locks it in. So that is good to go. And now, when I hook up either my wireless mic, or I picked up a cheap basic $10 lavalier mic, and I wanted to test that and see how the audio was on the fly, because sometimes you need batteries and you're running around with all your, you got your wireless microphone and you're running around with all that, and that's just a pain in the neck. So I really wanted something quick. If I'm blogging or out doing a quick review, and I wanted to have something I can plug in here, put to my lapel, and basically record as I'm shooting, real quick and easy. Short cable, inexpensive. They break, you pick up a new one. That's not a big deal. So, but the main thing you have to do is just really about the audio settings. So let's put this on. I'm just gonna go through a real quick setup for the audio settings. So a couple things you have to know. So pretty easy. So the first thing you have to do is when you swipe down, you go into preferences, okay? And then you go to, so if you can see, okay? So we have audio input. So we click on audio input, you're gonna have, what you see here is that the media mod is not lit up. So if that's not lit up, you have to plug in your microphone for it to be activated. So let's plug that in and you'll see it light up. So now it's lit up, okay? And that means it's ready to go. You click on that. And so we have different configurations, and this is what I want to talk to you about, really simple. So if you have a standard mic, means you can use a standard lavalier mic like this, okay? The camera will power the microphone, so you don't need anything special. Just a basic $8, $10 microphone works perfect. Standard mic plus, you can see that. That basically gives it a little more boost, a little bit more gain. So that's what that does. So it picks up the volume a little bit more. You can get overmodulated if you have a cheap mic, so just be careful with that, just so you know, okay? Now, powered mic. So powered mic means if you're using a wireless mic like this here, you want to use that setting. You can't use the lavalier mic, it won't work. So that means you just make a mistake. If you just get yourself caught off guard, you don't know that, it will not work with a basic lavalier mic. You have to use a powered microphone. So either you have a phantom power, I use a wireless microphone here. I have my wireless microphone set up, and that works like that. And then we also have the powered mic plus. So powered mic plus is just like the regular powered mic, so it gives you a little bit more boost, a little bit more gain in your powered mic, in your mic setting with the ones that you have hooked up into your wireless microphone. And line in basically is exactly what it says. If you put a line in, either guitar, music, or something like that, that's what that is for. So real simple, real easy. Once you understand the basics of this, it works great. So I usually use, with my regular microphone here, so if I use my lav mic, my cheap mic, I just have it on standard mic, it works fine. So you don't have to go mic plus, I didn't have to do that, just standard mic is fine. If I'm using my wireless microphone, I just have to basically make sure I put it on the powered mic, because what happens is, if you don't use that, it's overmodulated. It sounds like crap. So you gotta really know what settings to use. So if you're using a microphone that has phantom power or something, you have to use powered mic, okay? If you don't, you're gonna have overmodulated, it's gonna sound like crap. You're gonna say, what's wrong, and this and that. So this way, now you know. So I wanted to make a quick video. This is why I love this media mod. It's real simple, real easy to use. I love this here. Real easy. Picked up also the shorty. GoPro shorty, and I'll leave a link down below so you can see a quick review on these. I have a couple of these here, different ones, so that's awesome as well. So that's cool. I'll leave links down below as well if you need either the microphone or this little shorty. Really kind of cool. And basically, so once I get done shooting my footage, I hook up my USB-C into my computer and then download the information into my computer. So one more thing you need to know, okay, so that's that. So what you need to know, if you're going to import the footage in your computer, you have this 2 settings, okay? If you don't set it correctly, it won't work correctly. So what you have to do, so if you want to get the footage in your computer, you need to know this setting. It's very, very important. One will connect to your computer indirectly so you can download the software, download the information from the computer, and the other one you have to set it up to stream. 2 different things you need to know. So these are like the 2 most important things with a media mod you need to know. So if you want to stream, go down to preferences, okay? Go to connections, okay? So connection right here, USB connection, okay? So there's 2 different connections here. There's GoPro Connect, okay? So GoPro Connect is for streaming, so you know that. So when you plug in your camera into your computer, you can stream. If you have it on MTP, it won't stream. It basically looks at the device like another hard drive. So it basically just says USB connected, and you want to know why you can't stream and it's not working, so that's why. So MPT means basically for transferring from the media in your device here, in your GoPro, into your computer. So that's what that is for. So make sure it's on that setting. GoPro Connect is basically for streaming or wireless streaming or things like that. And that's what that's for. So those 2 settings are the most important thing out of the media mod that I wanted to show you and just give you the information that you need to know. So don't forget that, okay? So if you're connecting it and you can't figure it out, that's how you fix it, okay? You got MTP, and then you have GoPro Connect. GoPro Connect is for streaming, don't forget that. And MPT is for transferring. And one more thing, you have to get the Android file download. Don't forget that. I'll leave a link for that as well. Android file transfer, that's what you need. Okay, guys, appreciate it. See you at the next review.